different metrics like your average heart rate, respiratory rate, blood oxygen levels, body temperature, and
hello.
And once you wear your watch to bed for a while, you will get a typical range. So you'll establish a typical range for your specific body over time. And if your metrics are off, or if there are outliers, as it's called, then it could indicate that something is wrong. Like for me, for example, this application, Vitals, and it's not just me, this has happened to multiple people, it has told me that I was sick before I even felt sick at all. So it was able to pick up on that just based on all of that data, like my wrist temperature, my sleep, my blood oxygen, all of that. It warned me ahead of time before I even felt sick. It's amazing. And the app does also give you context for factors that could have led to an outlier. So for example, if I go up, I think I had an outlier right here. So looks like over my past 7 days on Tuesday there, I did have a heart rate outlier, which is pretty interesting. If you tap on that, it will tell you potentially why that outlier, happened. So it says alcohol consumption, medications, caffeine, dehydration. It will tell you what factors may have caused that, and factors that may have caused a decrease in the heart rate there. So I think mine was a decrease, and you can see that. And it also gives you a quick option to open up the heart rate from that section as well, which is really neat. And if you go into the health application on your iPhone and go to the browse tab, you will see that we have the vitals section right here. And if you go into that, you can see a much better view of your vitals, especially when you go to like the week or the month view, or even the 6-month view. You can kind of see, I've had 9 outliers over the past 6 months. I'm just going to go to the last month right here, and we can see we had an outlier right here. And if you go to show more data, it will show you exactly what happened on that day. So it showed I had 1 heart rate outlier and 3 sleep duration outliers. And if you tap on that, it will show you a different view of the graph to indicate when you had those sleep duration outliers, and same with heart rate. If I tap on that, it will show me when I had that heart rate outlier. So Vitals is so awesome. And if you don't wear your Apple Watch to sleep, I think this is a good enough reason to start doing so. Now you can also track pregnancy symptoms in the cycle tracking application on your Apple Watch. So your Apple Watch will also display your gestational age along with an analysis of the symptoms that you record. Also coming to watchOS 11 is sleep apnea detection. So you can actually see this right now in the health application if you search for breathing, and you'll see breathing disturbances. So this is a new section because soon we will have sleep apnea detection for the Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Watch Series 10, and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So when you have this feature turned on, your Apple Watch will track how many breathing disturbances you experience each night and categorize them as not elevated or elevated. So this is not currently available at the time of recording, but it will be out very soon. Now the fitness application